Hello, hello, beautiful people! Hi guys, I'm back! And kapag may hawak, it's parcel unboxing. Isa pa lang ang dumating for this week and it's our entry for today. Para sa unboxing niche. And unboxing is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Yan. So, it's another apparel. Ay, careful tayo. Baka ano ko na yung parcel. Ay, nakikita ko na siya. Tignan na kasing, scissors. So, it's color brown. Brown stands for morning. Oh, it's nice. Golden brown. Ano to? Cover up ng built-in belt bag. So, open natin. Flex natin. For only 99 pesos. Included na po dito yung kanyang shipping. So, I think the price of the belt bag is 88. So, meron siyang yung sa main compartment niya, merong tatlong para dito, lagay natin dito yung money. Tapos, dito yung mga maybe pwede coins or something pampaganda. Powder. Hindi naman mahirap ang powder oil. And yung sa likod, yan. So, pwede cellphone and wallet kasya dito. Ewan ko bakit ako may fetish when it comes to mga ganitong if it's not black, it's brown. Pero meron akong favorite color. So, it depends upon the pendant. I have this one, favorite color. Then, yung previous ko, split lang. Next natin. Yung previous ko, medyo malaki siya ng konti. It's black. And, nagayan ko ng aking money. Okay. Ang coin purse ko, ang coin purse ko ay third favorite color, purple or violet. And yung aking mini wallet ay brown. So, a plantita friend told me before na naka-color coords kasi ako that time. So, yung suot ko is ganito. Yung dala ko is ganito. Then, yung aking fisherman's hat na brown. And sabi niya, ang ganda ng get up mo. Kulay, pera. So, ayan guys. Flex ko lang. Sasara natin, no? Ganyan na siya kasimple. Pero helpful to. So, ganun. Cover up dito. Or if alis, you can, parang pasling or something. Ganun. Kasi na-adjust naman po siya. Ayan. For the longer version, we can adjust it para hindi ako hirapan sa kalisod. Pwede sa harap, pwede sa likod. For safety purposes, para hindi mahablot. Ganon. So, that's all muna for today, guys. Join me again on my unboxing videos. Unboxing ng parcels. Marami akong coming soon. Sabay ganon. Marami kong coming soon. Coming soon talaga kasi yung iba nakapila na. So, I'm waiting. Ito lang yung unang naihatid kahapon and unbox ng Monday. So, that's all muna for today, guys. Join me again on my next unboxing video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Okay? Enjoy the rest of the day. And as always, from my little world to yours. Love, love, love. God bless everyone. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa pinapanood niyo. Thank you.